Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, gave 5 thoughts relating to the theme connectivity for the next decade during the India Mobile Congress. He explained, India must finish the transition from 2G to 4G to 5G as soon as possible. The deployment of 5G should be a national priority for India. He went on to say that India should strive for greater digital inclusiveness and widespread fiber connectivity. The Reserve Bank of India announced that the transaction limit for OP payments for government securities, GSECs, and initial public offerings will be increased from the present maximum of 2 lakh to 5 lakh. Governor Shaktikanta Das said during the announcement of the monetary policy that the RBI will develop UPI-based payment products for feature phone consumers to further deepen digital payments. Over a video call, CEO of Better.com Vishal Garg said that the mortgage company is cutting off 900 staff. If you're on this call, you're part of the unfortunate group that's being laid off, Garg stated during the call, which went viral. This is the second time I've done something like this in my career. I sobbed the last time I did it, added he. In response to worries over the new COVID-19 version Omicron, the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee retained the repo rate at a record low of 4% and the reverse repo rate at 3.35% on Wednesday. During the last MPC meeting in October 2021, the rates were likewise held unchanged. The repo rate has remained constant at 4% for the 9th consecutive week. According to the information, Apple CEO Tim Cook struck a 5-year agreement with Chinese officials in 2016 for roughly $275 billion, saying Apple will contribute to the development of China's economy. The agreement was purportedly reached in order to halt Apple's regulatory actions. Prior to the transaction, Chinese officials feared Apple wasn't contributing enough to the local economy, according to internal company records. On Wednesday, the RBI announced the introduction of a UPI-based payment system for feature phone users. The RBI stated that feature phone users have limited access to new payment products. Despite the fact that feature phones have the National Unified USSD platform as an alternative for accessing basic payment services via the shortcode *99#, the service has not taken off, it continued. One reward for our valuable audience. I give a shout out to a YouTube subscriber who subscribes our channel. So, if you want to get featured in our videos, please subscribe.